Hi everyone, welcome back to Fashion Wahala. If you want to know how to get rid of blood stain, check out my last video on my YouTube channel. How to get rid of blood stain. Check out my last video on my YouTube channel. Just like I said in my last video, which is how to get rid of blood stain, that I'll be making a video on how to remove yellow sweat stain. This is the video. How to remove yellow sweat stain. Okay, so firstly, mix 1 cup of vinegar with 2 cups of water and let your garment soak for 20 minutes. Then mix half cup of baking soda with a tablespoon each of salt and hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Then you apply the paste directly on the sweat stain with a toothbrush. Let it sit for at least an hour, then wash. For white fabrics that are bleach safe. White fabrics that are bleach safe, wash with chlorine bleach to help remove the yellow stains. So for white fabrics that are bleach safe, wash with chlorine bleach to remove the yellow stains. Okay, so that will be all for today. So that is how to remove a yellow sweat stain from your clothes. So drop a comment in the comment section, like my video, subscribe and share. I'll be crediting 5 people with airtime. 5 people that will drop a comment, like my video, subscribe and share with airtime. You can also drop a comment on what you would love me to discuss in my next video. Bye. I love you. Invite your friends.